every 1st of January. Yours has always been double celebration. You celebrate a glorious new year, and you mark your unique day, your birthday.
I, Chief Olotu of Iwoke, High Chief Kunle Alabi, we celebrate you.
I rejoice with you today.
I, Chief Kunle Alabi, Baba Ewe of the entire Iwo land.
Here is such unique day again. Year 2021. We celebrate your birthday. We mark the beginning of another glorious year. As you step into the new year 2021, as you add to your age, as we mark your birthday today, I pray that God Almighty will continue to grant you long, healthy, and prosperous years. I wish you long life and prosperity. Enjoy your day. Enjoy a glorious new year. Enjoy a year of new beginning. Enjoy a new and prosperous year. We rejoice with you. The entire family of Oguntola Alamu rejoice with you. Ìgbà ọdún kan.